Introducing the all-new cordless C-Link lithium-ion battery range from Flymo. A lightweight power head that links 3 easy-to-attach interchangeable gardening tools that makes one very versatile gardening range. Its cordless technology gives you the freedom to work anywhere in your garden. The C-Link lithium-ion battery range provides power and control for anywhere in your garden. With its 30cm cutting width, a tap-and-go trimmer head, and adjustable handle, the grass trimmer attachment makes light work of maintaining small lawns and borders. It's simple to switch to the hedge trimmer attachment with its ergonomically designed handle, 42cm blade, 16mm tooth gap and dual action blades. It lets you shape hedges and bushes effortlessly. And by connecting the blower attachment, it allows you to keep the garden clear of leaves with its powerful jet of air. Now there's no need for 3 individual tools. Go from one task to another quickly and conveniently in any order you want. And the flexible design minimizes the storage space required for multiple tools. Reduce the time and effort you need to maintain your garden. The all-new versatile C-Link 20-volt lithium-ion range from Flymo.